Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Jerryinu. Now Jerryinu just finished their pre-sale recently on pinksale.finance. They also just got listed on CoinMarketCap yesterday. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Excuse me, volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So yeah, it just finished their pre-sale. They just finished their pre-sale recently on pinksale.finance. This is a Binance Smart Chain token. And then now they're listed on CoinMarketCap. They may have a CoinGecko listing or one coming soon. I'm looking on CoinGecko. I don't see it on here yet, but it should be there soon. This token is from Tom and Jerry, obviously. There was the Tomcoin or the Tom token that came out a long time ago, and that token did very well. So then now this one just came out, and then also I saw a new Tom token just come out recently on PinkSale as well, trying to reinvent the same wheel here again. And so yeah, now there's another Tomcoin coming out, and that one probably just came out because this Jerryinu coin did very well. So they're just trying to copy the format, it looks like. But there already was a Tomcoin out. And now we have a Jerryinu token. They had a pre-sale. It was a public pre-sale. They had 119 different investors contribute to this pre-sale. Soft cap was set at 25 BNB. Hard cap was set at 50 BNB, and they completely sold out 50 BNB worth of tokens. They have a full audit, so they were audited by Analytics Audit, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. They have an Instagram at Jerryinu BSC, a Telegram at Jerryinu Group, a Twitter at Jerryinu, and their official webpage, Jerryinu.com. So Jerryinu, the king meme, is back on the way to creating a trend and a new game in the field of meme coins. And Jerryinu will be the leader in this competitive meme game. Renounced ownership at launch, community-driven token, strong dev, it says. So ticker symbol is Jerry, 9 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply here, that's a million, billion, 420 quadrillion tokens. 117.6 quadrillion tokens for pre-sale, 58.7 quadrillion tokens for liquidity. So now that the pre-sale is over, if you're looking to get this token, basically all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, trade your BSC for the Jerryinu token using the contract address that you can find on their webpage. You can find it on CoinMarketCap now. They also have their BSC scan on CoinMarketCap that you can find it on there. You can find it all over the place. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. We'll try to find that in a second here though. And liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 1 full year according to PinkSale. Now their token metrics pie chart here says 57.44% of the tokens will get burnt. 28% go to pre-sale, 13.99% go to liquidity, and 0.56% of the tokens are unlocked. Now there is a free and quick light audit here by Analytics Audit in the discussion section on PinkSale, and it says no mint function found. Owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot change the fees. Owner cannot set max transaction. Owner cannot change trading status, and owner cannot set a blacklist. So all sorts of good stuff there on their quick audit. Now, if you go over to their official webpage, you can find more information over there. And like I said, they got listed on CoinMarketCap, so you can find a lot of the information on CoinMarketCap as well, like the price, the chart, the contract address, their socials, link to PancakeSwap, all that stuff is available on CoinMarketCap. So there, let's see what the price is today. So the price is, it's actually up 1.95% today, so it's kind of even today. It's one of those tokens, you know, there's so many tokens, 420 quadrillion tokens, that the price is like 0.00000. There's like 10 zeros and then a 9 or whatever. Jerryinu.com is listed on CoinMarketCap. It says they have a market cap of $389,000, fully diluted market cap $414,000, and their 24-hour trading volume right now is $132,000. So their Twitter, see how well they're doing on their social here, at Jerryinu has 8,322 followers. They joined in November 2022, 74 tweets, so fairly active on Twitter. It says, a meme coin, a BSC token, trending 2023, community-controlled token, renounced contract after launch. So their webpage has partners, journey, how to buy, in case you didn't understand how to buy there, what I just said, tokenomics, and a meme market section. So Jerryinu, the king, is back. Jerryinu is on the way to creating a trend in the new game and a new game in the field of meme coins, and Jerryinu will be the leader in this competitive meme game. And they have a link to PooCoin there. You can check them out there. Contract address is on their page. So they do have taxes. It says 10% tax on buys and sells, 5% is reflections to holders, and 5% marketing. So you get half of them in reflections, so that's not bad. I mean, if this token is legit and everything, you never know. Always do your own research. But they say you get 5% reflections, and so you will have to set your slippage somewhere around 10% if you are going to buy or sell this token off of PancakeSwap. It shows you step-by-step how to do that on their webpage here. So their roadmap, starting with phase 1, pre-sale and launch, renounced contract, marketing campaign, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap listing. Phase 2 is reach 5,000 holders, airdrop NFTs to holders, King Jerry NFT auction, Ambassador Jerry campaign. Milestone number 3 is reach 10,000 holders, big partners, co-op, marketplace launch, and then a full CertiK audit. So they don't have much utility at all. It said there's a game, but I mean, it's not even on the roadmap, so who knows if they'll ever come out with a game. Maybe they just mean in the token game in general in the world, like there's not actually a game coming out, but they do have NFTs. That seems to be basically the only utility for this token here. And then besides that, it has contact email, their social links, partners are on here, just basic partners, DexView, Aave.ai, PancakeSwap, PinkSale, BSC, etc. So yeah, those are their partners, and besides that, you could just find more information on their socials. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about Jerryinu? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.